green, get ahead of our helicopter, full carburetor heat. Engines on in the green, top of the green. We got plenty of gas. I'm not going to spend much more time up here. We got enough gas to make this happen. You cannot get hurt in this helicopter as long as you keep a decent rate around that. Keep her moving. Keep her moving. You don't want to terminate your hover out of ground effect. Keep her moving. That's going to take a little power and a little forward cycle. Let's go ahead and start easing that collective down, but keep it moving forward. Just like a conveyor belt under you. You want to keep that ground coming under you all the time. Alright, now we're in our safe zone. Eyes outside. Prepare yourself for a left pedal. Eyes outside. Don't take them off outside. Hold it on. Hold on to it. Or left pedal. Eyes outside. Hold on to it.